6 of 89 Ford L8000. .240 horse reman. The only real oil leak I see is around the breather. When I get to the other side to show you the tag. Dealer's diesel. You can barely make out the 240. I'm trying to get the model cleaned off now. It's a little hard to read the tag. The 240 you can read plainly.